Okay everybody, this is the Pandigital. See, Pandigital. The time is off, everything is off. Here we go, this is the charger cord. Before he always turn off. I mean, that if I move him a little bit, it's only because there's a little pin, the negative and a positive, but before it wouldn't even charge. So now it's charging again. Everything is working. If you look at them good, the battery's back in, all the little foils, all of the foils with the locks, the soldering, the speaker, the little speaker, and this major foil over here. Everything back in the Pandigital. That's the battery power supply. So the best thing is, when we started out this project, if you have a child and he decides to play with your Pandigital or your iPad, then you need to make sure he takes out this power supply once it's fully charged, so that he don't broke your Pandigital. So I soldered up all that, the back, fixed up the trace that cracked, and now we got a working charging Pandigital. Hello to all my friends out there, CB land. Cool change, mini grass, a whole lot of junk in the room. Again, it's my beautiful Stryker 490. Love this radio. Puts out pretty good there. You guys can check them on a meter. Yeah, right there, looking on a meter. Look at that second scale. Did key 20 something. Hello. Bit over 150. Regular talker on 150, 160. At 14 and a half, I think. I got 14.2 volts. 14.2 volts. So this is a Stryker 490. Even with the high scream, you almost reach 180. This one has been jacked up to the max. Aloha. From Cool Change in the mini grass. Bye bye.